In problem one, we have a nail. We're going to hit it with a hammer with a relatively light force of 124 newtons. And we're going to try and drive it into a piece of wood. Now, the end point of the nail is 0.719 square millimeters in size. We're going to have to convert that to square meters. So the question is, what is the pressure um, on the wood at the point of the nail? Well, we're going to do newtons over square meters. That's going to give us pascals, and we have to convert to atmospheres. So let's take a look at this. So we know the force. The force is 124, if I can type correctly, 124 newtons. And we know the area. The area is 0.719 millimeters squared. And we need to convert square millimeters to square meters. So that's 0.719. All right, a millimeter is 0.001 meters, and the square goes on the outside, right? So this is now 1 millimeter squared. So that's 10 to the minus 3, ends up being 10 to the minus 6. So this is 0.719 times 10 to the minus 6 meters squared. Okay, so the pressure is defined by force per over area, right? Force over area. So I'm not going to do all the math, right? But this, I'm not going to do the numbers. But this is where we are, 0.719 times 10 to the minus 6 meters squared. That's where we get. If I was going to estimate this, 124, I'm going to call this, this is an estimate, so approximately, and you guys can check my math if you want, 162, I'm going to call it, times 10 to the 6th pascals. Okay, but we want to convert from pascals to atmospheres. So this, we have to multiply how 1 atmosphere is 101,325 pascals. All right, so this is 10 to the 3rd, 4th, 5th. So we're going to take out a 10 to the 5th. So if we take out a 10, about 1,600 atmospheres is what we're looking at, if I've done all my guesstimation correctly. And so this is the essence of this problem, and uh, and all you have to do is work through this, and you'll be good.